Hi everybody, this is a quick video tutorial on how you can export certain smart files to image file and then how you can import those into Google Slides. This video will highlight using the Google Drive file stream and then an add-on in Google Slides called the Slides Toolbox. Ignore that, there's a quick glitch in the matrix. So just taking a look at this smart file, most of the pages in this are pages for annotation and sharing some reading. So in this case, rather than going through the full conversion process, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to export this as an image file. And so File, Export as Image Files. And then I have some choices I'm going to make here. The first is the destination folder, and now because I have Google Drive file stream connected, I can actually have this export straight to my Google Drive. And so I'm going to choose this and then My Drive, and I'm going to go back into my interactive slides. But you know what? This is a new unit, so I'm going to make a new folder, and I'm going to call this Making Meaning Unit 1. I don't know if this is really Making Meaning Unit 1, but I can create my folder, and now I will save these image files straight to that folder, which comes in handy later. All right, so now I've set my destination folder. File type, it doesn't really matter. I'm going to go with JPEG. They're just a little bit smaller file. And then for here, I'm going to choose as large as possible because that'll make it easier and it won't pixelate when I make it bigger. Click OK, and then Smart's going to go through the process of kicking out those slides as image files to that destination folder. So I'm going to wait just a second here, and now we'll go back to my Chrome and my drive, and I put that in my interactive slides. And what did I call it? I called it Making Meaning Unit 1. So I'm going to open up my Making Meaning Unit 1, and look, there they are. They're all in order of the slides, and so now I have my images. Now I'm going to go over and I'm going to create a new slideshow. There's a quick tip. If you do slides.new, it'll create a new slideshow. And then I'm going to use an add-on called Slides Power Tools. No, what's it called? Slides Toolbox to actually import all of those images at once as individual files. Okay, so now I'm going to use this add-on. I'm going to close this themes page. Add-on, and I'm going to go open up my Slides Toolbox. It's difficult for me to say. And in this toolbox, there's a whole variety of things that you can use to help make it easier to edit your Google Slides. This one I'm going to use the import tools, and I'm going to create slides from images. And so I choose that, and then I just need to, how do I want to get it? I'm going to have them do a single image per slide. And now I just have to go and find that in my Google Slides. So I'm going to go by name. Nope, just kidding. I'm going to go by name. Oh yeah, this will work just fine. Interactive Slides, Making Meaning Unit 1. And then I'm actually going to say, this is the weird thing. Make sure you have these in order by name. There you go, because this will put it in the right order. They're going to go in whatever order they are in the folder. This will put them in the right order. So I just selected slide 1, scroll down to the last image, shift click, and that selects all of them. Click select, and then this tool is going to do a little computer magic, and it is going to create slides for each of those images. So we'll let that cook for a second, and then we can see what the final result looks like. So now what I have is all of those slides or those images from my Smart Notebook in as images on my Google Slides. So now I'm getting closer to being ready to use them. There's a few more things that we can do. One is if you double click, you can crop the images if you want, and so this will get rid of the gray space. Oops, I moved it. This can get rid of the gray space for you. This is, if you feel like this is necessary, you can go through this step. Now I've just got a nice work page ready to go. and then I can click the present mode, see what it looks like, and that gives me a nice view to be able to do some annotation right on that slide. So there you go, a quick way to take image files or take your Smart Notebook file, export it as an image file, and then get that into Google Slides and then do some work there. So I hope that helps clear up the process for exporting as image files and then presents a little advantage that you can use with Slides Toolbox.